Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Today's video is gonna be a review of my Chanel Gasset wallet, large Gasset wallet. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Probably I'm butchering the name, so I'll leave the name of the wallet down below so for everyone to see. You seem to like whenever I do a review of some sort, so I thought why not. I have this wallet for 4 years now. I bought it from the Bond Street boutique in London in 2014 and I have been using it non-stop ever since I bought it. So I thought that 4 years is a really good amount of time to do a review because, you know, I have been using it, as I said, non-stop, and I have a lot to say about this wallet. So if you're interested in that, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start this video by mentioning the dimensions of this wallet. As I said earlier, this is the largest size they do. So there's a smaller version of this too, and it's the Gasset wallet, so it doesn't have the pocket on the back. So the dimensions of this wallet are 90 centimeters in length, 10 centimeters in height, and 3 centimeters in width. Now the combination that I got this wallet in is the black caviar leather with the gold hardware. So the CC logo is in gold, as you can probably see. Now, as with all Chanel items, it does come with an authenticity card when you buy it. I'm just gonna hide the number right here. But I don't keep mine in the wallet, I keep it separate in its box. So yeah, I don't have the authenticity card wherever I carry my wallet. When I bought this wallet in August of 2014 from the Bond Street boutique in London, this retailed for £575. I'm pretty sure the price has gone up since then. I did try and Google it, but I could only find it used. So I don't know if you buy it brand new from the boutique now how much this retails for, but that was the price that I bought it then. Now if we open the wallet, as I said, it does open with a popper right here. It does say Chanel as soon as you open it, and it has the Chanel logo. And here on the back it says made in Spain, so it doesn't say made in France. I don't know if the majority of their small leather goods are made in other countries like Italy or Spain. Now when you open the wallet like that, excuse me, it has 12 card slots. It has 6 here, 6 on the other side, and then it has one large compartment here, one large compartment here, and then in the middle it has a compartment for your change that it closes and opens with a zip, and then it has one large space here behind the 6 card slots, and one space again here on the other side behind the other 6 hand slots. Now the interior of the wallet, I don't know whether the camera is picking it up, is mainly the leather and is in this beautiful burgundy kind of color, as it is the interior of the Chanel Classic flap, and it's all leather. The only part that is not leather in this wallet is this central part right here where you keep the change. This is made out of fabric, but everything else is leather, and it's a smooth leather, so it's not pebbled like the exterior. So I'm under the impression that this must be lamb leather, so not caviar leather as the exterior of the wallet is. Now, as I told you guys, I bought this wallet back in 2014, and basically ever since, this is the only wallet I would use. I think I switched up for a couple of months at some point using another smaller wallet that I was gifted, but apart from a couple of months I have been using this wallet non-stop, and I have to say, in terms of longevity and durability, this wallet still looks in pristine condition. The corners of the wallet, like literally here and here, have so ever slightly worn, but believe me when I say that even if I told you I bought this wallet 6 months ago, you would believe me because it's literally in pristine condition. If there is one con of this wallet, is the size, and that is because it is quite bulky and it does take up a lot of space. So if you are to carry a medium or a smaller size bag, these would not fit. For instance, in my classic Chanel flat bag, which I have in the size medium to large, this would fit in, but it would literally take up most of the space. So I tend to not carry it in my Chanel bag just because it takes all this space. So if I want to use the bag, I will just literally take out my credit cards and some change or some cash, and I'll just pop them in there directly, loosely, without a wallet. So yes, as I said, this wallet is in excellent condition. The only con is that it does take up lots of space, so it's best if you're using with more of a medium to a large size handbag rather than a medium to a small size handbag. And even on the inside, where the leather is a little smoother and it's lambskin, it hasn't got any scratches or anything. So yes, as I said, this wallet is super durable. Now, I do only have one complaint with this wallet, and I suppose it is natural for it to start happening after a certain point in time. I'll try and show you guys. Now, I don't know whether you can see, but the CC logo here, the gold logo, has started not to tarnish a little bit, but the gold has started to fade away, and especially on the bottom part of the CCs, you can see like the silver, the metal popping through, coming through. And you know, this is something that it does bother me a little bit, just because it being a Chanel wallet, I would expect for it not to happen. But on the other hand, as I said, I have been using this wallet for 4 years in a row non-stop, and I suppose it is because I carry it like this, so my thumb literally touches the CC logo all the time, that I believe that is why the gold has started to fade a little bit. Now, they did tell me that I could take it to a Chanel spa and have it fixed, but you know, I haven't been bothered to do that, so I may do it at some point, but yeah, so far I have avoided doing that. Let me show you once again. I don't even know if it will pick up, but it's like here on the bottom, you can see like there is a little bit of the metal popping through and the gold fading away. I'm pretty sure though that if you buy this wallet in a different combination, so if you go for example for the silvered hardware, you won't even have to deal with this issue. In terms of space and what it can literally fit in that wallet, I think that I'm very happy with it. I mean, all 12 card slots are full, and I do have some that I don't use that often here. And I have some loyalty cards also at the very back. But yeah, I'm really happy with the way the interior space is distributed. I think it's a fairly well thought wallet, and if you open it up, it opens like an accordion here on the side. So yeah, I think the inside is very well thought of, and it does fit a lot of items in there. Even the space with the zipper that is dedicated to your change, it is quite roomy, and you can fit quite a bit of change in there. Bear in mind though that if you fill that to the brim, because I have done at some point, I was carrying lots of change, it will bulge out just a bit. But if you have like normal amount of change in there, then you're good to go. So yeah, that was my review on my large Gassé Chanel wallet. Let me know in the comments down below if there's any more information that you need that I forgot to mention. But as I say, I'm really pleased with this wallet. It has seen 4 years plus of daily usage and is still going strong. So yeah, overall I'm really pleased with this wallet. I would recommend it. Just bear in mind that if you decide to go for the larger size, think about what kind of handbags you're using. So that is everything from me, you guys. I really hope you like this mini wallet review of mine. If you did, don't forget to give this video a good old thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and join this little YouTube family. That is everything from me. Hope you all have a lovely week, and I'll see you all next week. Bye, you guys.